Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kim, America's Holistic Food Doctor. In this video, you meet my patient who I have not seen for 20 years. She saw me speaking at a lecture 20 years ago and finally came in to see me as a patient. Let's see how I can help her with her thick toenails and her corns.
Talking about you went dancing all the time. And
Really?
Yes.
Wow. I was telling you all the deep, dark secrets.
Yes.
Oh my God. I didn't know I was doing that.
Very impressive.
What was I talking about all that?
It was about aging and your feet. And
Really?
and,
I was telling them how good of a time I was having.
I liked you because you had such a good energy about you.
Oh, well,
You're
thank
very
you.
positive.
Thank you.
That's when I signed up for your
Daily message?
emails.
Yeah. So you still get them?
Oh yes, I read them yesterday.
Oh. And then you finally made it. Finally came to see me.
Well.
In person.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Wow. It took many years, but it finally worked.
My toenails look like it.
Yeah. You got that pointy toenail right there. It's looking a little bit dangerous right there, the second toenail. Right?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. And then she has a little corn over here. I don't know if you can see it or not here. So I'm gonna burn.
Painful.
Yeah, I'm gonna burn that one. And then I'm gonna recommend a spacer, which is a common problem. A lot of people have callus or corns between the toes, and especially big toe started going over. She had a bunionectomy here, and then after a while it started going back here, and then that toe is squeezing and causing a corn in between there.
Even with wide shoes,
Yeah, it doesn't help that much.
No.
Yeah. So a lot of times that's one of the problem is the bunion can come back. So you had it many years ago, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So after about 25 years, your bunion can come back, and and then the toe started going next to the second toe. You see. And then looks like these are like fungus over here. I can see, you see all this underneath here? These are fungus, yeah? See how thick it is?
Yeah.
Yellow, yeah. So we're gonna send these samples to the laboratory to see.
I didn't realize there's different kinds of fungus.
Yeah,
that grow on your feet.
Yeah, there are about 30 different kinds.
Wow.
And 3 different families. And different families require different medication.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why we need to first find out
I have a whole neighborhood growing here.
Different
families.
Exactly, there are different families and require different kind of things to kill it, you know. So we'll talk more about that once you get the results back in a few weeks, right? But it looks like just your big toe and the second toes, and then maybe this little one.
The baby toes, they're always getting ripped off because they curl up.
Yeah.
In the summer, I'm always stubbing them and getting the nails ripped off.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You're moving too fast, maybe.
That's my problem.
That's your problem. I can tell. I can tell you don't sit around.
No.
Right? Hi, it's me again. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far. If you have, leave the word 20 years in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Find these things down, okay? It's not gonna hurt.
Yeah. Okay.
So since I saw you, what you've been doing for like almost maybe 20 years, huh?
Yeah.
20 years ago, I was talking a lot at the hospital back then. Try to promote my business, you see. I haven't done that.
It just took me 20 years.
20 years to get here, right? Yeah. But I planted the seeds years ago, and then you finally showed up, right?
My doctor, my primary care doctor, comes here as well.
Who's that?
Dr. Venkatarman, but she sees begins with a B.
Dr. V, Dr. Batista, yeah.
Batista.
Yeah, Dr. V. Dr. B, yeah, Dr. V sees Dr. B. Yeah, Dr. V sees Dr. B.
Yeah.
I didn't know that Dr. V comes here. Oh, I didn't. Really? I didn't know he comes here.
It's a she.
Oh, it's a she, right.
Her husband is also a doctor too. He's a neurosurgeon, but he's been opening restaurants.
Really?
Yeah, he likes it. They're vegan.
Is that right?
Yeah,
oh, wow.
A vegan restaurant.
Oh,
he
wow.
used to have one. His first one was in the basement of the medical building.
Really?
Not the basement, the ground floor of the medical building. And where he has an office. He's pretty much retired. He told me he has about 20 clients left still.
Really?
But
Wow,
his
but he likes to
passion
cook.
is cooking and music. He's
Really?
a very talented
Musician?
Indian musician.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I didn't know
And
that.
he has a foundation that he like mentors young people to go into music.
Really?
Oh, his music is beautiful. And
Really?
his daughter, he's a neurosurgeon. His daughter, or neurologist.
Really?
His daughter is also a neurologist. His wife
Wow.
is a family practice
Right.
doctor.
That's amazing.
Yeah, very talented family. Oh, it's all over the.
Oh. Hard to see, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go, perfect.
All right, very good, Julie.
What about? Can you?
Yeah,
Did
I'll-
you grind that?
Yeah, I'll clean all this after
Okay, thank you.
after our video is over. And I'm gonna burn this one, right, today?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So, all right, thank you, Julie. Nice to see you after 20 years.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see in this video, I have not seen her for 20 years since my last presentation. However, it was such a great time to meet her in person and have a great conversation. Until then, be educated, get empowered, encourage others today.